When one is faced with a cancer diagnosis, trustworthy and relevant information offers the first glimmer of hope. Therefore, the Cancer Registry is more than just one of the most complete health databases in Slovenia, providing accurate, timely and understandable data on cancer. It also serves as a moral and highly ethical human norm, providing a basis for decision-making in the healthcare system, benefiting doctors, researchers, the media and the public in Slovenia and abroad. This seems self-evident in today's information society, but we must not forget that the Cancer Registry has been operating at the Institute of Oncology Ljubljana since the 1950s, collecting data on all cancer patients in Slovenia. The goal we want to achieve by registering all cancer cases is, in short, to learn how powerful this public health enemy is and how much damage it inflicts and will inflict on our society, said Professor Dr. Božena Ravnichar, the founder and first director of Slovenian Cancer Registry. Her statement, far-reaching and powerful, has given meaning and direction to the Cancer Registry to this day. The aim of the registry set back then has not changed in the intervening 70 years. The Cancer Registry is constantly being developed and updated, always with a view into the future. Today, it focuses mainly on collecting data and allowing real-time monitoring of the quality of cancer care. All this would not have been possible but for generations of dedicated professionals going the extra mile and breaking new ground for the future. It all started with the vision of Božena Ravnichar, doctor and oncology professor, who established the Slovenian Cancer Registry at the Institute of Oncology Ljubljana. It is one of the first population-based cancer registries in the world. As early as 1951, the first data on cancer in Slovenia were published and the first cancer map drawn. Standalone annual reports of the Cancer Registry followed, and in 1955, the first publication about cancer in Slovenia was translated into English. In 1968, the International Association of Cancer Registries was established. From the very beginning, Slovenia has been a full member of the association. The quality and international recognition of the Slovenian Cancer Registry is clearly evidenced by the fact that the Slovenian Cancer Registry directors have been elected European representatives to the association's board of directors in 3 terms. The Slovenian Cancer Registry is one of only a few registries in the world that have constantly achieved such quality of data that they have so far been included in all editions of the important international publication Cancer Incidence in 5 continents. In 1975, Professor Vera Pompe-Kiran became the director of the Cancer Registry. In the years to come, the registry would also pave the way for healthcare informatization in Slovenia. As early as 1969, the first computer processing of data was performed, and in 1975, the first computer database was set up. All these years, the Cancer Registry played a pioneering role in introducing new data processing and analysis methodology. The 1980s and 1990s were marked by intensive research and project work. Maps of cancer incidents in Slovenia and the first in the series of books on the survival of cancer patients in Slovenia were published. Since its establishment, the Slovenian Cancer Registry has been a valuable teaching hub both in Slovenia and abroad. 2 international cancer registration courses have been held in Ljubljana. In 2003, the Department of Cancer Epidemiology and the Cancer Registry were merged. The new single department was headed by Maja Primic-Žakelj, who organized the 29th annual meeting of the International Association of Cancer Registries, which took place in 2007 in Ljubljana. After 2000, the Cancer Registry team began examining the geographical distribution of cancer in smaller areas in depth using modern geographic information systems, introduced socioeconomic inequality impact assessment into the studies of cancer burden, and developed new methodological approaches. In 2010, the interactive website Slora was established. In 2018, Professor Vesna Zadnik became the director of the registry. As part of the Slovenian National Cancer Control Program, the Cancer Registry is responsible not only for continuous monitoring of the cancer burden in Slovenia, but also for evaluating the quality of patient care. That will be possible through the stepwise establishment of clinical cancer registries. In 2018, so-called active registration was also introduced. This means that cancer registry employees have started collecting data themselves using the information systems of Slovenian hospitals, which will eventually lead to the discontinuation of reporting new cancer cases on paper forms. Active registration will lead to more timely and more accurate data. The Slovenian Cancer Registry continues the decades-long tradition of taking part in numerous Slovenian and international projects tackling current issues such as monitoring the effects on cancer during COVID-19. All this goes to show that the Slovenian Cancer Registry is as alive, active and creative today as it was when it set out on its mission 70 years ago.